Good evening everyone. So I am Althea Lorraine Belaro from Batch 4. So yung topic naman po natin today in August 31, sino si Satan? Or Satan. At ang scripture po natin today ay matatagpuan sa 1 Peter 5 verse 8. So basahin po muna natin yung konsepto ng Satan. So Satan is the personal name of the head of the demons, the chief adversary of God and his people. Once a created angel who rebelled against God, he now leads the forces of evil in opposition to God's kingdom. Scripture presents Satan as a deceiver, accuser, and tempter, seeking to blind minds to the truth and to destroy lives. While Satan is powerful and cunning, he is still a created being under God's sovereign control. His defeat was secured at the cross, and his final judgment is certain. Believers, though called to resist him, do so from the position of Christ's victory. So dito po si Satan daw po, para sa mga hindi lang nakakaalam, kasi Satan is once na po siyang naging angel ng Panginoong Diyos. So, even na even na tagapangalago or kanang kamay ng Panginoon Diyos ay kayang talikuran ng ating Panginoon Diyos. So, dati lang siyang anghel ng Panginoon. Ngayon, siya na yung head ng mga demonyo. Siya na yung head ng mga kasamaan. Lahat ng masasamang bagay na naiisip natin or words that could describe as a negative impact could be also described as him, or which is Satan. So, lahat ng bagay na nagagawa nating mali is isa lang po yung nagiging parang isa lang nagiging labas ito sa mga tao. Yun ay gawa ni Satan, dahil ang lahat ng kasamaan ay konekto sa kanya, at lahat naman ng kagandahang bagay ay konekto sa ating Panginoon Diyos. Kaya we should always be mindful sa lahat ng mga decisions in life natin, dahil hindi natin alam sa mga decision yun, hindi natin alam kung sino yung sinasamba natin or mas pinapaniwalaan natin. Kaya ito yung laging sinasabi sa atin, na palagi tayong maging cautious sa ating galaw sa buhay. So that's all everyone. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day ahead for tomorrow. Bye bye.